video today. This time I'm doing a video on my eyebrows. This is the video I'm doing it on. If it's backwards, I'm sorry. Um, it's called Magic Collection 24-hour lasting eyebrow gel. So it comes with the spoolie, an eyebrow pencil, eyebrow thing, and then you got the eyebrow gel stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do my eyebrows for you guys. I did the other one already, so I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. I used it already, so that's what that looked like. Okay, let's get this started. If I'm looking up, I'm looking at the mirror right there. Oh, disclaimer, I don't usually use eyebrow gel. I don't usually use it. I usually use powder or a pencil. So if it looks crazy, this is my first time using it. So don't talk about me. Don't come for me in the comments. Just saying. Just kidding, you guys. Okay, that's what that look like in the mirror. I mean, I said the mirror because I'm looking at it. But this is what it looks like. There you go. Close it and clean it off with your Pro Concealer. And this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Balm. Again, I apologize if it's upside down. Don't need a lot. A lot goes a long way. tell people that all the time when they try to put too much makeup on, and I say a lot goes a long way. I mean, a little goes a long way. Sorry, guys, I said that wrong. And there you go. It's all done, all pretty. I'm gonna check in the mirror. Not done. Boom, bang, bow. I'm kidding, you guys, but thank you for watching my video. This is all you need, nothing more, nothing less. Little goes a long way. See, I can wash that off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know.